has been brought to you by Your Name Here. Check the link in the description for the video where you can figure out to do the form of where your video can be advertised. Thank you. Hello everyone, it's me, the Yellow Penguin, and today I'm going to show you guys how to have a custom new tab page like this. Now this is very easy. All you need is a web browser. In this example, I'm going to be using Chrome, but in the link in the description you'll see how to use Edge Chromium, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Opera. If my browser is not listed, please let me know and I will make a video about it if I can find the browser. So you're gonna need only 3 things: your Google account, signed in, the Google Web Store, and sites.google.com. So the thing that you're gonna do in the new tab page, you're going to type sites.google.com. Now it's going to ask you, it might ask you to sign in, which I will do off camera due to privacy reasons. Now once you're logged in with the website that you already have, what you want to do is go ahead and click blank to go and create a brand new web page. Here's where the fun will start. You can go and create your page for whatever you want it to be. So for example, my page says, "Hello Aaron, get started with your links below." So what you can do, you can go ahead. So it says your page title. You don't have to keep it like that. You can be like, "Hello." Click. We're gonna be like, choose a link. Don't make like a web page for it. Just do that. So that's gonna be my example. If you want to get a picture, go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and select an image. So I'm gonna select this as my theme. So all you want to do now is get the link. So for example, I'm going to go to images, select, and I can go and just like type into here YouTube, and just go ahead and enter that in. Then down here you want to press button, and then you go and name it whatever you want. So for this link, it's YouTube. So I'm gonna go and type YouTube with link. So HTTPS. If you want to put the HTTPS, you can just go and type www.youtube.com. So let's pretend. Oh great, filled it out. What do I do next, Yellow Penguin? Now you're going to click publish. So here's where you need to publish the link. I recommend clicking request public search engines not to display my site so that no one can get information to it. So you can go ahead and type. So I'm gonna go ahead and do new tab example YT. So this is really random, but mine right here says new tab window. So go ahead and click publish. Now all you need now is click view, and here you go. You have your website. You have your link to get to your source. Sounds very good. Now, next step. You need to go to this link that is in the description, which I will go and paste. It's a web store. And so once you go ahead and paste it, you want to go ahead, it's called change new tab, and go ahead and click add to Chrome. Add the extension, and if you want to, you can hide it. Now that's bringing you here, it says change a web new tab. So go ahead and just command, or just control or command if you're on the Mac. Command if you're on a Mac, control if you're on the Windows. Go ahead and click Control C or Command C, whatever. Go ahead and go to here and go ahead and Command V. Now just press the X. And so now when you click the new page, it'll automatically send you here, and it says this is the new tab you're expecting. Just go ahead and click Keep Changes. Now, we want to make this so that it displays on startup in here. Click the 3 dots and go into settings. Go ahead and scroll down until you see show home button. Go ahead and click that if it's not enabled. Then click custom web address. Go ahead and paste that. Now, if I open a new tab, and I'm gonna go ahead and let's go to YouTube. And if I press the home button, it sends me back here, which is good. That's what we want. Now, if you scroll down on startup, choose a specific page of tabs, or you can have the new tab page, but there we go. Now it will automatically go there. So now you're done. You have your website. And remember, if you want to undo it, all you gotta do is just delete the extension. So click remove from Chrome, and if you refresh, and if you go ahead and open a new tab, as you can see, you're now back. If you want to undo it, go ahead and go back into settings, go to your change, and go ahead and click new tab, and go ahead and click new tab page. And if you want to unpublish your website, all you gotta do is click this little drop down menu, go ahead and click unpublish. So go ahead and click got it, and Google will send you an email telling you, hey, you unpublished your website, did you mean to do that? So Google should send me an email any minute now, so I'll do that. So what I'm gonna do now is, actually no, it won't tell you if you unpublish it. It's once you delete it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I don't really want this website anymore. I'm fine with having the regular Chrome. Go ahead and click remove, it'll be moved to the trash. Now it's gone, basically. And you can forget this ever happened. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go ahead and check the links in the description for the new videos, which if they are going to be coming out on June 21st, on Father's Day. So check back on that day. This is just for Chrome. I don't know anyone that has done this yet, so I think I should make a video about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you disliked it, click that dislike button. If you have any other suggestions for more videos, please leave a comment. If you want to be featured in another video, go ahead and check the link. Go ahead and check the video in the description. That video is published by now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.